Good evening, y'all. So this is my video for our logos. I have 4 of them here because when I started creating them, I just couldn't choose which one I would get rid of since she only asked for 3. So I just went ahead and did the 4. I'm fairly happy with them. For the same part, this little leaf, I love him so much. I knew I wanted to do something with him as far as putting it somewhere. So I love the idea of putting it in a light bulb. I love light bulbs. So when I put him in there first, and I just did the light bulb by itself with my initials in the middle. I did choose 2 different fonts for my initials because I knew I wanted something that's kind of flowy and circly and cute. And this one is just the A with the larger leaf next to it. I was also thinking of maybe switching it, putting the leaf over here and the A over here. But yeah, these are my logos. I did not want to keep them fairly simple. I didn't want my whole name spelled out, and I do love my initials. I put that on everything. But yeah, so here are my logos. I would appreciate any honest thoughts you'll have. Thank you.